Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Gore, have we been busy? I hope you're all doing well. I'm going to show you everything we've been up to. So we're in a house at the moment, and before I show you what we're going to do, I'm going to show you a quick bit of what we've already got. Look, this is our Funko shop. This is part of our Funko shop. All the stuff we're selling on Whatnot. But what I'm going to do first, I'm going to turn around to Luce and you can show us your clothes bit, Luce. Let's have a look. You talk us through what's going here, darling.
This is my magic cupboard, ready? Ooh. Look at all these clothes. This is what I have to sell for the next auction. So I've got like nice cardigans. This is a Primark medium cardigan, decent quality, nice condition. So there's loads of different clothes there to sell. This is the stuff that just hasn't sold yet. But we've got all these bags of clothes as well to sell. Shoes. Like these shoes, really pretty shoes.
I like the top you're wearing, Luce.
Oh, thank you. I was selling that, but I thought I'd keep it because it's nice for the summer.
Good.
Yeah.
So what's this door about? Tell us what this door's about.
So what we did, this door was just plain like this, and we wanted to jazz it up a little bit. So Justin came up with the idea to like do loads of posters at the top and just fill it up with all sorts of clothes and ties and stuff. So we put pictures all through the middle.
Yeah, these are some of the thumbnails from some of the shows we did. And everything else. So we got ties. So we got a load of ties with some of the clothes we got. So I thought I'd put them to good use.
Yes.
And everything else. So let me just show you over here. Let's get this chair out of the way. So we're in the middle of building up a Funko shop. So as you know, we sell on Whatnot. So just a quick one.
Oh,
hello, Lucy.
hello.
All these clothes are part of our Whatnot shows. So we sell clothes on Whatnot. If you didn't know, now you know. We have links if you want to be a buyer or a seller to Whatnot under the description in our channel.
It's me.
It's Lucy.
It's me.
Yes, very good. And then we have fresh stock, £1 start bids. So that's £1 start bids on every item of clothing we have. Now we run clothes shows. Hannah and Lucy run together at the moment every night, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday around 3 p.m. onwards. That's what we do for clothes.
Yeah.
As you can see, it is men's, women's and children's clothing, shoes, bags, accessories, all that good stuff. And that's where we run it out of. As well as doing the clothes, we do toys, as I'm sure you all know anyway. We've got stuff like this, Hot Wheels, brand new Hot Wheels. And we've got our pops coming in, different pops with different values and everything else. And these are the ones I already had. And these have all been priced up, set to the medium prices on eBay. Now, what we've got here is 2 boxes. I've got 18 boxes of pops coming this week. So what I'm going to do is show you what pops have arrived today. Lucy's going to hold the camera while we do it. And what I'll do is when I pull a pop out, if you zoom in onto the spinny thing, once I put it on there. So over to Luce. You on 0.5?
Yeah, 0.5.
Right, guys. So here we go. Luce, if you film the box, you might be a tad closer. Sweet.
That's fine. Because it's 0.5.
Yeah, cool. That's fair enough. Now, the good thing about ordering my pops online is any packaging that the pops come in, the cardboard, the bubble wrap and everything else, I get to keep. So when I sell them in the Whatnot shows, I've already got the packaging, so I haven't got to pay for packaging. How good is that? So recycling again, guys.
Yay.
But what I'm going to do, we've got lots and lots of pops coming. I'm going to show you which ones we've got, and then I'll put them on this spinny thing here, and then Lucy can go in detail. So the first one we have is this beautiful Princess Snow White.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Let them spin around for him, Luce. It comes in a pop protector. Every single pop that we are going to be showing you is available on our first Funko show, which should be this Friday around 1 p.m. But that is Snow White. Look, I'll get the light down there.
Oh, that's gorgeous, isn't it?
The pop protector. So first one we got is Snow White. Next one we got is Elsa. Now, see there's a little sticker mark there. I can get that off. But this is Elsa from Frozen 2, complete with pop protector. If I go over her a bit. Do you want to sit down and do that, Liz?
Oh yeah, go on.
Save you back.
Thank you.
Down. So every single pop that we've shown you, let me zoom in. You come back a bit, there you go. every single pop that we're showing you is what will be available in our shop for sale on our Funko show. So that's Snow White
and
that's Elsa, both in prop protectors. They'll be priced up ready for the show. And then we have Cinderella.
Too close. Oh wow, we got loads of Disney. Oh, that's adorable. I love Cinderella.
How cool is that?
Yeah, really nice.
And then if you go on 0.5,
0.5.
if we show here. So look, there's our packaging. Look, so I've got lots of free packaging to use when people buy pops of us.
Yay.
So let me open the next box. So we've got 18 packages coming this week, guys.
Do you know, it felt so good today. We didn't have to wake up early and do a car boot, did we?
No, we didn't. We didn't, darling.
It felt amazing.
Anyway, let's look at our next ones, shall we? What have we got here? So Cinderella, Elsa, and Snow White. So there's 3 Disney, all in prop protectors, which I think is pretty cool. Hope you're all doing well. Now our next ones. Let's have a look here. We have Lieutenant Connix from Star Wars. Let me just speed this up. There you go, Lieutenant Connix from Star Wars. Have a nice look there. Every single pop will be available on the show. We have another Lieutenant Connix.
Oh, we got
there.
2.
So it's always good to have multiples of the stock, because if you get 2 people on the show that turn around and say, "Oh, I want a Lieutenant Connix," do you know what I mean? You can
So well, we've got a couple in
go
there.
for both of them. So that's both Star Wars. This is the next Star Wars. We have Jana. Little Jana. There we go. And then we have...
Oh, they look good, don't they?
They're lovely. Then we have a special edition Cersei from Eternals.
Oh.
Every single Funko that you see will be in our show. And then we have Korath 2019 Spring Convention Limited Edition Captain Marvel.
Oh.
Very happy with what's turned up here. Very good condition pops. Then we have Yon-Rogg Captain Marvel.
Yon-Rogg.
And then we have another Jana from Star Wars.
Cool.
So that is 1, 2, 3 Disney pops, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pops from that lot there. Can I have the camera, please? Love?
Yeah, some of them are a bit dusty. Just
That's
clean them
all
up a
right.
bit.
So there we go, guys. That's the pops that have arrived today. We've got lots more to come. Once again, this is the beginnings of our pop shop. The prices that you see on there we've put on ourselves, and they are the medium price that they are selling on eBay for. When you come into our show, we do lots of deals, we do lots of games, different auction prices, everything else, and that is what we do. And look, we've got the free packaging.
Yeah,
keep this
that's
packaging.
invaluable, isn't it? The packaging.
Yeah, if you got to start buying this stuff, we've already got cardboard and bubble wrap. If we start buying this stuff, you stand over there, Luce, then it becomes a bit more expensive, doesn't it? So
Yeah.
I'll let Luce talk about the clothes some more and what they can expect. What can the people expect from you and Hannah on a clothes auction,
It's
darling?
basically it's stuff we pick up. Like some of the stuff's my stuff that I'm selling, because I'm trying to get all my clothes upgraded to like better quality clothes, really. So some of it I'm just sort of moving. Just like these are Boohoo trousers that I bought a while ago. I've worn them a couple of times, but I've got a load of BDG jeans now. I've got 4, and I've ordered another pair just to change my wardrobe up a little bit. And I'm selling stuff, the stuff I don't want, making money on that and ordering new stuff. But now I've bought everything I need, so I'm just getting rid of all the stuff I want.
Sounds like a good idea to me.
Just loads of different types of clothes. There's men's clothes, women's clothes, kids' clothes. And look, all those bags we still need to sell, we need to get through. So we don't need to buy anything else at the moment. But when we do, we have places that we can go to get stock, so it's not a problem. There's loads of places that we can go to. But at the moment, yeah, we're just trying to get through all this stuff.
Cool.
So it's clothes in this cupboard. That's what me and Hannah do. And the pops are that side where Jussie does pop auctions like 4 times, 5 times a week.
Yep, so we're certainly moving into online selling a lot more.
Yeah.
So like I say, Lucy's clothes shop is open Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays and Fridays. 3 p.m. starts around about that time, sometimes earlier.
Yeah.
3 p.m. starts and everything starts at £1. Right, camera's on me now. Hello, camera time. So this big space behind me, that is all going to be filled with pops, and all that space over there is going to be filled with pops, and all this space here is going to be filled with pops. So on one side we have our clothes show, which we just told you about. I'll take my glasses off because no matter what angle you put it on, there's a glare, isn't there? So yeah, clothes auctions Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays and Fridays around 3 p.m. If you're not signed up to Whatnot, use our referral links under the description in our YouTube channel, Juicy Killer Monster, which you're obviously watching. If you want to be a buyer, click on the buyer one. You get a free £10 to spend in any other shows. And if you want to be a seller, click on the seller referral and you'll get a matched £150 of earnings within your first 30 days, whether you're a buyer or a seller. But whether you want to buy or sell, or you don't want to do either, but you just enjoy being on the live chat and everything, come along and say hello. There's no pressure for you to sell. Okay, come on our shows. It's just like a YouTube live. There's a live chat that goes on there. Pop in, say hello, let us know how you're doing, and it'll be good to see you all. So once again, close Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday around 3 p.m. starts every week. And the Funko shows, I'm hoping to run my first Funko show this Friday, but I've got to wait for the stock to come in. I've got to price it all up, put it in the shop and get everything ready for the first show. So fingers crossed this Friday. If I do one this Friday, it'll probably be around the 6-7 p.m. time that I do a show. Come on, say hello, show some support. You don't have to buy a thing, but it'd be really nice to see you. And if you are looking for quality pops, special editions, glow in the dark, WWE, Disney, all of them, anime, we've got so much coming, even Notorious, B.I.G. and Tupac Shakur. So check out our close auctions Mondays to Fridays, Wednesdays off at 3 p.m. And the Funko auctions will start. There will be Monday to Friday every night of the week around 6 p.m. onwards. And with every Funko, you get a mystery prize. So none of this giveaway, one a show or two a show. Every single purchase over £10 will get a free mystery prize chucked in the parcel with it. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Luce, is there anything you want to say to these guys before I go?
I'm hidden behind all the pops, but yeah.
Right, Luce, anything you want to say to the people?
Yeah, so thank you for joining in today, and we're just going to crack on and label up our pops for prices and stuff and enjoy the rest of our day.
That's
so
it.
See you soon.
Thank you all for watching. Thank you. Goodbye. See you on the next video.